What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for the returning subscribers that keep watching the videos and keep sharing and liking. So as I say in my previous video, I'll be doing more videos about Korea because I live in South Korea. This channel was basically for traveling and discover places in South Korea, beautiful places, and see how Korea is. But I was too busy with work. I was working, so I didn't have time to go out and make videos and upload. So that's why I was just doing some short reaction videos to keep the rating of the channel, because at some time if you don't upload videos, YouTube might forget about it, the algorithm might forget about the channel. So that's why I was doing those reaction videos. But right now I have some times, I'll be going out doing more videos, okay, by God's grace, and I pray that nothing happens. I'll be going out doing more videos. Okay, please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Okay, so today the video that we'll watch together is about Seoul Grand Park. It's a very beautiful place. You have in that Seoul Grand Park, you have Seoul Zoo, Seoul Land, Seoul Garden. It's a place you can visit with family. You can visit as lovers. You can visit as a single lady or a single man. Maybe you can find some love there, right? And just to take out the stress of the too much work in South Korea. So please stay tuned to this channel and watch the video to the end. Let's go. Here is about 30 minutes, I think so. But at this spot, Skylift, you can buy a ticket, a Skylift ticket to take you to the zoo, so you can get the sky view of the park. But if you want to walk, okay, all depend on you. You can walk. It's about 20 to 25 minutes, I think so. But if you prefer to take a Skylift ticket, you can get the ticket here. You can buy two-way. After finish visiting the zoo, you can take a return ticket back here. So if you only buy one way, then after you finish visiting, you can walk and back. So it all depends on you. Okay guys, please don't forget to like the video. Keep watching to the end. Thank you. In Seoul Grand Park, we have together Seoul Zoo, the Theme Garden, Children's Zoo, the Seoul Land, the Healing Forest. People go there to heal. I don't know what they are going there to heal. We have the Healing Trail. We have the campsite. We have the Botanical Garden. We have the Skylift. But today, my only focus is going to the zoo. Okay, guys, keep watching. Okay. Now at the zoo entrance, next thing to do is to go and get the ticket, but find out how much is the ticket. Okay. Yes, this is the ticket office. How much is ticket? Okay, individual adult 19 to 64, 5,000. Okay, I think that's the one for me. Yeah, got my ticket. Now moving to the entrance. Okay, guys, let's go in and discover what is there. Okay, keep watching. Let's explore this Seoul Zoo. Okay, please don't forget to like. As you can see, these are baby stroller. You don't need to leave home with that. You can just come with your baby in there. You can rent it there. They have baby stroller there for the mothers. Okay, now we are in the zoo. Let's explore. Start by the giraffe.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you don't find 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be.
I saw this here, but I don't understand why. This is the Maasai tribe from East Africa, I think Tanzania or Kenya. Since there were no one to explain, so I don't understand why it's there. Oh.
제일 많네. 오, 얘한테 안 왔어. 얘도 없었어.
빨간 양동이 왕송인가 봐.
오, 얘 없었어.
big. I've been walking for 3 hours. I didn't visit all the sites because it's very big. You can't finish that in one day. So coming out, moving to the exit. So at the exit there is a gift shop. You can get some gift for me. Get some gift for your kids. Yeah, this is the gift shop. Get anything you want from here. Oh my god, so tired. As I said, the zoo is very big. It's very big. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, share. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and share, and also subscribe. So thanks for watching. I'll bring in another videos. That video will be about the Seoul land. So today I did the Seoul Zoo. The next video is about Seoul land. So okay guys, keep watching the videos. As I always say, peace, one love, stay safe out there. See you in the next video.